Well, heading out on a little Mother's Day ride today. We're going to head over to Wildcat Mound near Humberg, Wisconsin. Hike up to the top of the hill, check out the views. We'll head into Neilsville after that for a little ice cream treat. Over to the famous H.O.G sign. And home sort of via Augusta and Fall Creek. Heading east on County B. This will take us all the way over to the Wildcat Mound. Up and to the right there, you get a look at Wildcat Mound. Take a hike, see what the views are like up on top. As my lovely wife so deftly pointed out, this is against the biker's code to hike more than a little bit from where your bike is parked, much less hiking uphill. Coming into Neilsville, on the right here we have the High Ground Veterans Memorial Park. If you've never stopped there, it's worth a stop. Very well done. Coming up to the famous H.O.G sign. We've never come here and taken the obligatory picture. This is a chunk of road I've never been on before, actually. Coming out of Fairchild, headed west on 12, turned up RR. But the road was newly paved not long ago. Other than a lot of biscuits on the road from the horses, because it's Sunday. Beautiful road. West of Fall Creek here on I. Run her through the curves and up over the hill and we'll be home. Well, if you made it this far in the video, thank you. You're one of the 5%ers. Hope you enjoyed the tour.